Hey friends, welcome back. I was cleaning and y'all look, I got hot. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all something and y'all let me know what else y'all want to see how to do. There are people that genuinely want to grow long nails or genuinely love long nails, and you don't want to do it because you keep hurting yourself or things keep happening. I'm gonna show y'all what happened to this person. I don't support this person because I don't like their mouth. But I saw it happen, and I can tell you exactly why it happened. Lesson learned. You can tell this person is just wearing nails for show, because if it's a lifestyle, baby, no. So let me show y'all. Hold on. So this person is cleaning, and watch what he does. Did y'all see it? Hold on. He's cleaning and he jams that nail. Did y'all see that? He jams that pinky nail. Jams that pinky nail, y'all. Jams that pinky nail. So let me tell y'all why that happens. Number one, he needs to be using gloves, but he does not have to. I'm not trying to force my opinions on anyone, but when y'all ask, I'm going to tell y'all. This particular person, he gets a new set every 2 weeks, so he does not have to use gloves. He gets a new set every 2 weeks. That's his business. If you're growing out your nails, or even if you're not going to get a new set every time you go back, and you want to keep water and stuff from getting under your nails, and you can fit some gloves, you need to wear gloves. I buy the long gloves from Walmart or Family Dollar. Now a couple of more inches and I may not be able to get into these gloves, but I'll find a way. I'll make my own gloves, okay? Because you shower, you wash your face, you wash dishes, you clean. Well, I do. I cook. You need to use gloves as much as possible. So I use gloves when I'm cleaning, and I use gloves when I'm washing dishes. As much as possible will keep a less amount of water on your nails. So he's cleaning and he's not using gloves. I'm going to show you with the glove and without the glove, okay? My stove is right here. I'm going to show you with the glove and without the glove. Here's my rag, okay? He's cleaning with his hands straight out. That is a never in life. You never in life clean with your hands straight out. You're going to hit that nail with so much force and power and do exactly what he did. You're going to jam that nail, lift that nail, or break that nail. You never clean with your nails how he was doing with his. You could tell he don't know what he doing. I'm sorry. He don't. This is a lifestyle. This is how you clean. If you're not going to wear gloves, 90% of everything you do is going to be like this. So you take your rag, grab your rag, and this is how I clean. I can get in, I'm not going to jam a nail. I'm not going to hit. I'm not going to, I almost dropped my glass can. I'm not going to hit a nail, and I'm not going to hurt. I'm not going to hurt myself. Now, if you feel like you just can't clean with nails or get a kitchen clean with nails, then don't wear them. But at the end of the day, I can ram this thing all I want to. Now, of course, like he did, if you stick your nail out like this and you're cleaning, what do you think you're going to do? Now, I'm going to show y'all why I like gloves. Because gloves kind of make you a little bit more conscious. Now, I clean with gloves. I don't clean with my natural hands the way he does. I clean with gloves. And I do the same thing, though. I grab the rag. I get it in position. I spray my stove with whatever I want. I'm still going to ball up my hand because I'm not going to do what he did. That junk hurt. Y'all be talking about it hurt so bad. Yeah, it do. Because you're not used to it. You're just doing whatever. He trying to do a video And, you know, let me just say I'm not talking bad about him and I'm not bashing him, but obviously he hasn't mastered it yet. He's wearing almost 4-inch long nails that he has not mastered. So I'm gonna have my gloves, I have my rag, and I'm gonna clean. And I can scrub. Don't sit here and tell me I'm dirty or my house dirty because I got long nails. Like, I hate when people do that. Like, I can clean with no problem. So for people who say, oh, I can't clean with my nails that long. Yes, you can. Just go over to the counter. I can go over to the counter. I'm gonna drop my tripod off. I can clean. Now, this type of counter, you may forget. And you may want to stick your hand out and do like this. Do not do that. Do not stick your hand out because you don't know what you're going to run into, even this wall. Don't do it. I done did it before. I'm going to tell y'all. And I hate stuff on the counter. And my kids love to put stuff on the counter. I absolutely hate stuff on the counter. I have my Febreze booster here. If y'all haven't bought the new Febreze booster, I love this thing. It puts out a burst of Febreze like every few minutes, or you can hit the button and do it if you need it. Like if somebody's gonna come over and you wanted to do a boost, see how it lit up? I hit the button and I could smell it. But let's go over here. Move my iPad. This is how you want to wipe. You want to make sure your hand is closed. My hand is closed. I'm not going to open my hand because if I open my hand and I'm going fast like this and I open my hand, I might hit my nail up against this granite wall right here. And baby, that's not going to feel good. That is not going to feel good at all. Okay, and then when I put my gloves down, I put my gloves the opposite way so they can dry because sometimes you'll get water in your gloves. I changed my gloves out. Make this bigger again. I change my gloves out when I poke a hole in them. Like sometimes, because my nails are so long, I'll poke a hole in them. When I get water in the gloves and I notice I poked a hole in them, then I'll change them out. Or I'll just randomly change them out when I think I need to change them out. But when you're cleaning, you cannot clean like normal lifestyle, poking you can't do that. You cannot do that. Even cleaning the refrigerator, it doesn't matter what you're cleaning, and it takes a minute to get used to it. It takes a minute to get used to it. Your natural instinct is going to want to be to hold your hand straight out. So it does take a minute to get used to balling your hand up. When you clean in the bathroom, when you clean in the toilet, when you clean in the shower, I use gloves. I have different gloves for that. And my hand is balled up. Because just like he did, and I'll try to put a better clip in here, if you hit that, baby, if you hit that nail, it could split, it could bleed, it could lift like his did. Now, he's lucky. He gets a new set every 2 weeks, so his nails don't have time to seal. So it just flipped up. It just came up from the cuticle area. But if you have real long nails like me, you are liable to split that nail. That's when you see people split, bleeding, or it depends on how they hit it. Got to be more careful. Baby, I done been there, done that. So when y'all ask how do you do anything, it kind of throws me off because I think over time, you kind of get tired of the same questions all the time. And over time, you kind of get tired of the same obvious questions. How do I do anything? Obviously, I do. Obviously. These ain't even the longest nails. Like, these not, let me show y'all. Hold on. Come on, you lucky you only hit that one. You lucky you only hit that. That's not how, you can't clean like that, baby. You cannot clean like that. And let me show y'all something. These are not, when people say stuff about my nails, I believe I get irritated because my nails are not long compared to the nails y'all see on social media. So I guess in my mind, when people say, because I had people in the store like, oh my God, your nails are so long. And I'm like, okay. Like, dude, I wake up to this every day. Can you please tell me something I don't know? Like, I wake up to these nails every day. I know that they're long. Look at these nails. These nails are way longer than mine. Way longer than mine. So why am I getting the dumb comments? Like, her nails are way, it's so many nails on here that are so much longer than mine. Her nails are way longer than mine. You know what I'm saying? But it's a lifestyle. You have to know how and what to do. Like, you have to know how to use them. What he's doing, her nails are definitely longer than mine. Now, see, when you get to this length, and I think this is the video she was doing. I do follow her where she broke one. Y'all can see she broke one right there. But when you get to this length, it may be hard to use gloves. And what I was saying was, if you get to the point where it's hard to use gloves, you have to maintain. You have to watch your nails just to make sure with all your cleaning and everything that you, his not real, but his is way longer than mine. Let me see if I can find, it's another girl on here that I follow. Hers are way longer than mine. So now see me, if my nails got that long, I would still wear gloves. I don't know how. I probably would have to invent my own gloves, right, y'all? Because you have to be careful. And I think that's what she's doing, is kind of drilling out some of the bad area, because it's kind of hard. When you get that long, it's kind of hard, but you got to watch it. All I can say is when your nails get extremely long and you can't wear gloves, pay attention. Pay attention to what you're doing. Pay attention to your nails. Let's see if I can find y'all somebody else. But if you can wear gloves, and don't say, oh, I can't wear gloves when I'm cleaning, or I can't wear gloves. Try it and practice it. They say it takes 21 days for a habit. Wear them. Even if you got to pull them off in the middle. Go ahead and wear them and then pull them off and wear them. But get used to it. It helps you guys. I'm telling you, it is helpful. I know the gloves are aggravating. I know you feel like you can't get in there like swimwear. But if you practice it, it will work. You will be able to cook. Well, I don't cook with. I cut up my vegetables sometimes with the gloves. But I don't cook with the gloves. But you will be able to clean and wash dishes with the gloves, y'all. I promise. I promise. So let me know what else you want to know or see that's legit. If you want to know how I wipe, there is a video on how I wipe. I'll put the link down below. But if you legitimately want to know something like cleaning or like what he did, earrings, hair, I already did a jewelry video, but let me know. Let me know and I will show y'all. Hers are definitely longer than mine. Hers are way longer than mine. So holla at me.